Hey, Elvis Cup Guy here. This is a little update video. I finally got back my Omega Dynamic 565 movement stainless Geneve early 1970s watch back from the shop. It had been in for a crystal buffing and some work done on the band, polishing the band, buffing out the band. So I'd like to show it to you now. I did a video a couple weeks ago where I showed it right after I got it. So here it is. First of all, I would like to thank Marco at Sumter's Jewelry here in Charlotte, North Carolina. He's one of the few certified Swiss watch makers in the area. So shout out to Marco at Sumter's. But here it is, early 70s, maybe 71, 70, 72, Omega automatic Geneve Dynamic with the 565 movement. He polished that crystal out really well. It had surface scratches all over it. So I can't wait to wear this thing. Polished the band for me. I'll lay it down here so you can see the clasp here had some really deep scratches on it, and he got most of that stuff out. You can see it really looked rough, and you can look at my video from a couple weeks ago where I showed it right after I got it. I was trying to get some research done on it before I did any more to it and get it back from the shop. But there it is. I can't wait to get it on. I'm currently wearing my Orient Bambino, but when I get home I'm going to take this thing off, which I really do like this watch, especially for the price point on it, and I will be wearing my vintage early 70s Omega automatic Geneve Dynamic with the 565 movement. But I am really happy with the work that Marco did at Sumter's. So keep checking back on my YouTube channel for new videos. I have a lot of Elvis content I put on, but I'm also going to post some other things. But please subscribe, and I appreciate you watching.